Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply a promo code on the GoPuff app. Because if you have a code and you don't add it in the right spot, you'll check out and be like, wait, where did my discount go? So this video is going to be short and sweet and simple. And the first step is you're going to open up the GoPuff app and make sure that you're signed in. And then you're going to add your items to your cart like normal. And when you're done, you're going to next go to the My Bag at the bottom, and then you're going to select Add a Promo or Referral Code. Tap that box and type in your code and then apply it. Once it applies, you should see the discount reflected in your subtotal. GoPuff notes that some discounts apply automatically, so you may already see one applied without entering anything, and typically only one manual entry code can be used per order, plus some promos can't be combined. Then just finish your checkout while you're signed in and you're good to go. And that's the best and easiest way I know how to do it. If you guys know of a better way, let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.